Hello there, in this video I will show you how to install MongoDB Community Edition on Ubuntu. So let's get started. Open your terminal. I'm currently on Ubuntu 24.4, so you can check it yourself by typing the cat etc lsp release. You make sure that you're gonna install with the same version like the instruction here. So okay, the first thing we need to install is GNU PG and curl. So you can just type in sudo apt install GNU PG and curl. It's most likely already installed, so you can go next. You can copy the GPG key from the MongoDB. Just copy here and paste. Next one, you need to create a list file. Make sure that you use the same version of your Ubuntu. For now, I will use the 24.04. Just copy again and paste. Okay, when it's done, you can install MongoDB. Okay, I'm gonna clear it first. You need to update the apt. Okay, so once it's finished, you can install MongoDB. Okay, so once the installation is finished, you can check the MongoDB service with the systemctl. Then after we start the MongoDB service, we can check the status. And as you can see here, it's already active and running. Okay, now we can check it with the Mongo SH. And if it's showing something like this, which means it's connected, so you can do anything with it. Okay, that's all I can show you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.